Pangolin Scales Dress. This unique dress is called the Pangolin. It's special because it can read the thoughts of the person wearing it and change its appearance accordingly. The dress has scales like a pangolin, an animal, which are made using 3D printing. It uses a special technology, a 1024-channel brain-computer interface, to read brain activity. When the wearer is more active, the scales move more, and when they're calm, the dress glows calmly. There's even a feature where the scales can turn into spikes if the person wearing it feels in danger.